Step 1. Copy this text. Step 2. Paste it here. Step 3. Click submit. Step 4. Wait for a couple of minutes and it's done. An amazing person like you deserve a remarkable way to earn money online that really works well, because you can use money to have many more outstanding experiences, holidays, cars, foods, clothes, shoes, and more amazing things. So that's why clicking in this video was just one of the very best decisions you have made. Now you have about to discover how you can make thousands of dollars in pure passive income on autopilot or right from your home without having to invest any cash in all. It works for all countries. In addition to that, it can also be done with your simply mobile phone. So grab your phone or laptop or a computer and get ready, because the life-changing tutorial is going to start. Okay, let's begin with step number 1. This tutorial is most likely to be divided right into workable steps, which you can easily follow to set up this income stream appropriately. If you wish to make this occur and if you want it to work for you, I advise you to follow every steps and also take action. Don't just watch the video, because it will certainly not work for you if you watch it and don't take any action, and you won't make any money in all. But if you complete each step, that will certainly make a difference. Anyways, let's start with the first step. Before I show you exactly how you will combine this device with Google to make lots of money without owning a website, so you don't require to have a website or whatsoever. Our first step is going to be coming to the website is called mangoals.com. It's mangoals.com. We have never talked about this method before, and probably you don't know what this website is all about. Well, mangoals.com is a tool that will certainly improve your SEO, your search engine optimization. That indicates just how high your websites rank in Google, how most likely people visit your website, how easy it is for them to discover, and stuff of that nature. However, don't worry, once more, you don't require any website. You don't need to have any website, and you don't require any SEO knowledge. You just follow the steps from this tutorial and it's going to be so very easy, since you don't need anything. That even if a newborn baby understood exactly how to talk, she can watch this tutorial and have the ability to set this up for herself. Anyways, Mangoals is a tool that assists you to rank higher on Google and beat your competition. Yet you don't require a website and you don't need to spend any cash to earn from this. So your initial app is to just come over to mangoals.com. If you want to, you can find out more about it. So now pause the video, go and complete the step, and I will be waiting for you. Also, I desire you to do the very same for each various other steps. Watch it, post the video, complete the step, come back and watch the following step. In this way, by the end of this video, you will have everything is set up and ready to make your money. Let's go to the next step. Step number 2. Welcome back. So now that you understand what Mangoals does, you will need to sign up completely free. So click here, come to the top of this page and click here, start 10 days free trial, which will certainly take you over to the page. That looks is something like this. To create an account, you will certainly need to enter your email address, create a password, click I'm not a robot, and go through create my Mangoals account. Once you do all these steps, you will undoubtedly be successful to log into your Mangoals account. That you need to look at something like this. This is the dashboard. To ensure that's it, in the meantime, just going to mangoals.com and signing up for free. Create an account and I will certainly be waiting for you. Now we will jump right into step number 3. I hope you keep completed the previous 2 steps and you are already making some progress. If you have not finished them yet, go back and complete the first 2 steps before entering the 3rd step. Going over to google.com. So below, we will certainly start making use of Google. The 3rd step is to open up Google as well. In the meantime, leave it open up like that. We will certainly begin taking it and we will start using it soon. We require to copy something first. Since you have Google open there, it's time for you to get back to Mangoals. And right here in the right hand side, you will be able to see this affiliate section. You can join their affiliate program. That's best 30% of recurring monthly payments. And if you go back to their pricing plan, you can see that the most well-known one is the $39 per month plan, which indicates you are making around $20.70 monthly per person you referred. That's simply from one single person to ensure your monthly income without you needing to lift a finger. You refer 100 people, that's already $2,070 each month in pure passive income, not work needed. Once you have each of those referrals, you can turn off your mobile phone or computer system and take pleasure in your earnings. Do anything you like. Obviously, there are some less costly, but there are additionally some even more pricey plans from which you can make even more money. Stick around until the end of the video. I will certainly show you what to require to put your affiliate web link, how to copy and paste something, and just how to take advantage of Google to get as many referrals as possible for absolutely cost-free. As well as, it's pretty much going to be fun process. You are visiting that, I promise you that's going to be a fun process. In the meantime, go to affiliate program and also go to promo materials. Here we can see your affiliate web link. So this is the main affiliate link. They will make us money. When people click it, they will be sent out to them to this page to sign up for Mangles, and depending on the plan they choose, we will make monthly income. So you wish to copy this affiliate web link by clicking on this copy button right here. So copy that as well as go to Bitly, which is a link shortening service. So to make this lengthy or long affiliate web link short and sweet, all you require to do is paste it here, click shorten and copy the shortened version. Now it's a lot more attractive for people to click it. To ensure that, step number 4, grab your affiliate web link and shorten it utilizing Bitly. Finish these steps and let's go to the next one. Step number 5. You have your shortened affiliate link. Let's return to Google and think for a second. Who requires better SEO, far better rankings, and more visitors to their website? Well, obviously every website in the world, and there are presently hundreds of billions of them. But a lot more significantly, who has sufficient cash to spend onto Mangles with your affiliate link, so they can take advantage of the tool and you can make passive income every single month. Keep watching because you are going to be surprised. It can make thousands of dollars and you need to do it once. Once more, who will take advantage of this tool but has sufficient cash to invest in it? Every business with a website to understand how many of them are around. There are over 1 billion, not a million, not 100 million, but 1 billion. You require to want 100 of them, just 100, not even 1000, just 100 to use your referral web link and you will make thousands of dollars every single month or $20,000 per year without lifting a finger, simply if 100 of them sign up. That's simply insane, but of course, you require to place in some work first. It is not a get-rich-quick plan and the outcomes were proper. But for now, step number 5 is just going to Google. Think of some business, maybe dentist, gym, barber, restaurant, pet shop or anything you can think about. And then think about some small place, a tiny city, your town, As an example, I can search for Newberry, South Carolina, dentist, Newberry Gin or Green Valley Gin or Kent. Like there are endless results of all. You can play around in a desktop that makes you the most cash and which gets you the very best results. So that's why I stated it's going to be a really fun procedure. It's like a game. You think of some little area, think of some business, try out different variations, search and quickly fund your referrals in several of the next steps. So for now, as an example, I will search Newberry, Carolina dentist. So you can do anything else. You can also open a map as well as randomly huge places. I would certainly do this one and I will use the business dentist. Step number 6. Once you have searched for that term and Google, skip the ads and skip the first 3 websites that appear on the top of the search. This is also in Google, since undoubtedly those people recognize exactly how to do SEO appropriately. They don't need the tool, yet all the others thousands and thousands of business below them need your help and are willing to spend right into their business because they can see the significant return in that investment. So you will undoubtedly open up some of these websites, and 99% of them you will undoubtedly be able to see the recounting details either at the top or on the bottom of the website. So locate your email address or any other content forum and let's offer them your affiliate link and help them. Now, I'm not legally allowed to give you any script, and that would be even be bad because you understand that everybody else will utilize the same script and it will simply comes up as spam. Rather than that, I will assist you in crafting your very own, which is a far better, and in conversation, it's going to be a lot higher. So, I would want a very simple message. You can make them click your affiliate link that takes them to Mangoals where they can sign up and you will make money. So you can start your message or email with like, "Dear sir or madam, I saw you were running a nice business," or "I saw you had a nice restaurant or a nice coffee shop or a nice office or a great jewelry store," or whatever it is. Yet your website is not ranking. So you are missing out on a lot of prospective customers. And after that, you can possibly say something like, "I had the same problem just recently, but I desire some tool online that helps me improve my ranking and get a lot more visitors in a matter of a day," or something like that. And they should have interest. Currently, you can either send them your affiliate web link immediately in that first message, or you can wait on their reply and after that send them your affiliate web link after you develop some trust with them. And keep in mind, you require to do this only once to get some sign up, and you will keep making passive income every month for the following numbers of months or a couple of years. So sacrifice some time and also effort currently as well as enjoy later on. It will certainly pay. So the recap, copy your affiliate link, create a script on your own, copy that, going to Google, finding some business play around, and just pasting a script that your affiliate web link, and that's it. You will undoubtedly help them by providing the tool that will boost their business. They will be thankful and you will be happy because you have allowed somebody, but too, you made a great deal of cash on the back end, a great deal of passive income. That's it for this video. Follow the steps, take action as well as enjoy your money. Thanks for watching. If you got some value out of this video, don't forget to hit the like button and turn on notification bell. Stay safe and I will see you in some of my following videos.